Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? After a very long time, I'm sorry for late, my brother, but absolutely, I will give you 100% guarantee, my brothers, to you. Never lost app. ABS Tech channel will guide you now. So let's start the price prediction. Let's start the update, my brother, and absolutely, what's the opinion? Everything we discuss with my brother. So kindly, my brothers, hope you like our videos. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Why are you not subscribing, man? Just click out the subscribe button. Alright, my brother, first of all, I'm going to show you, my friend, this time the update. So I'm so my brother angry to see this, but this is very bad, my brothers, but this is reality. You can see at this time last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 days all change occurred completely negative now. But I will tell you, my brothers, to win they will wake up. Exactly, can there is a chance to they will wake up? Yes, my brother, there is 100% chances to they will wake up, and especially at the end of month. So my brother, at the end of month they will move upward. So everybody know this, to at the end of month every coin will wake up, because a short-term investor, they are holding and they are starting buying and they are investing. So therefore the coin is take a very huge jump now. So if you are a long-term investor, then I hope, my brother, at the end of the month they will give you a very good profit. But don't see the short fail, my brother, because if you can see at this time they will completely dumps down, and last 7 days minus 11.05%. You can see Hedera Hashgraph is losing now. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, to don't see this short fail, because after a short fail they will take also very huge jump now. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, to upcoming time they will moving upward now. So if you have any plan to invest more in those days, so I think you are doing very huge mistake, and don't do this mistake, my brother, because at the end of month if you invest, so I hope they will give you a profit. So don't do any mistake to the in those days you invest, because the price is very badly jumps down. I hope, my brother, some more days, my friend, they will falls down. So don't be ready for my friend lost. Please wake up and hold it, and I hope, my brother, at the end of month you will take a very good profit at the end of month. So please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type urgent videos. My opinion, I already shared it. Please hold it. Allah Hafiz, take care.